Allison. I'm the Programs Outreach and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another episode of Backyard Science. Today we are going to be talking about crows. And maybe you can hear one cawing in the background. I'm hoping that we'll be able to get some footage of crows. There are usually a ton of crows around my house, but I found that whenever I come out to film, whatever I'm trying to film hides, like with our hummingbirds episode. So we'll see what we can find a little bit later, but first, some really cool facts about crows. So a lot of you have probably seen a crow. Most of you, I would say it's safe to say, have seen a crow. And a lot of you probably think they're kind of annoying because they're kind of loud and they squawk, but crows are actually super, super cool, even if their cawing can be a tiny bit annoying. Crows are actually super, super smart. They can remember a lot of things, and they even play games with each other. Young crows have been observed playing tug-of-war with each other with little twigs. Other crows have been observed flying up really high with a stick, dropping it, and then swooping down to catch it. So they like to play games with themselves and with each other. They also like to tease other animals, so they've been known to kind of tap-tap on dogs or cats, and they can even mimic the same sounds that dogs and cats make. Now, I hope that you can still hear that crow cawing, and you might think that crows only make the same one sound, caw, 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 but actually crows can make at least 25 different sounds, and they all mean different things. So they can make a different sound when they're trying to warn each other of something, or when they're trying to play, or when they're trying to mate. Whatever they need to do to communicate, they can make at least 25 different sounds. So that's pretty cool. You might think of crows as just plain black, but crows, if you get up close, their feathers, if you study them, have some deep purples and deep blues in them, so they're not just black. The crow that you and I are probably familiar with is called the American crow or the common crow, and they are present in every state except for Hawaii. The largest member of the crow family is the common raven. So those are some crows, and ravens are both birds that you see a lot of at Halloween time, which is why I wanted to film this episode during October. The raven is very popular at Halloween, due in part to the Edgar Allan Poe poem, The Raven, which you can check out for yourself if you check out a book of Edgar Allan Poe's work from the library. Crows eat a lot of different things. They eat worms, mice, snakes, fruit, and even roadkill. So you might see them on the side of the road sometimes picking at different carcasses. A group of crows is called a murder. It's called a murder of crows when you see a lot of crows together, which is kind of a weird thing. And if you look it up online, there are a lot of different names for animal groupings that are a little bit strange. So when you see a bunch of crows all together, that is called a murder. All right, I think we're ready to do some crow hunting. So let's go around and see what crows we can find. Of course, we're not hunting in a bad way. We're just going to do some searching to see if we can catch some on film. I hope you learned something about crows today. I got a lot of my information for this video from this book, Crows, Strange and Wonderful by Laurence Pringle. This is available in our collection, so you could check it out and learn even more about crows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time when we're going to learn about pumpkins. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.